Reality is fragile, and sometimes the universe doesn't care. Imagine for a second that the rules you've always counted on suddenly stop applying. Planets could collide, stars could explode, even the moon might shatter into pieces. Today, we're counting down 7 mind-blowing, planet-killing what-if scenarios, each one more terrifying, insane, and intense than the last. Brace yourself. Number 7. Rogue planet crashes through our solar system. A massive rogue planet drifts silently through space, and suddenly it enters our solar system. Its gravity pulls at everything. Planets wobble, moons swing wildly, and asteroids are flung toward Earth like cannonballs. Oceans rise, tides rage, and cities along the coasts face tsunamis bigger than anything we've ever imagined. Imagine waking up one morning to find that the Earth's orbit has shifted. Temperatures swing from freezing cold to blistering heat within days. Crops fail, animals panic, and humanity struggles to adapt. The skies would be a constant storm of debris, and satellites would be destroyed instantly. Flights are grounded, power grids fail. And we're left asking, can Earth survive this cosmic intruder? Number 6. A nearby star goes supernova now. Imagine a star in our cosmic neighborhood suddenly exploding. The light and radiation blast toward Earth at unimaginable speed. Solar flares incinerate satellites. The sky glows brighter than 1,000 suns, followed by electromagnetic storms that fry every piece of electronics on the planet. Auroras paint the skies even at the equator. Radio waves fail. GPS is gone. Power grids collapse. Even if life survives physically, civilization as we know it would crumble overnight. We would be thrust into a world without communication, navigation, or modern technology. And while the sky looks breathtaking, it's also a deadly warning. Nature doesn't negotiate. Number 5. Planet-sized comet hits Earth. A planet-sized comet appears from deep space, hurtling toward Earth at insane speeds. As it enters the atmosphere, the heat and pressure ignite a firestorm across continents. Cities vaporize instantly, oceans boil, mountains collapse. The sky is choked with smoke and debris. The impact alone triggers earthquakes and volcanic eruptions worldwide. Entire ecosystems collapse. Even after the initial strike, a year-long impact winter blankets the planet in darkness and freezing temperatures. This is an extinction-level event. Life as we know it would struggle to survive. Humanity becomes secondary to the planet itself, a reminder that the universe doesn't care who's watching. Number 4. The moon shatters. Imagine the moon, our constant companion, suddenly breaking apart. Pieces orbit Earth like deadly satellites. Tidal forces become uncontrollable. Oceans surge like never before, destroying coastlines, flooding cities, and reshaping the planet's geography. Meteor-like debris strikes Earth constantly. Nighttime becomes a deadly spectacle, with glowing fragments burning through the atmosphere. Without the moon's stabilizing influence, Earth's rotation wobbles. Seasons become chaotic. Long-term climate patterns collapse. And humanity? We're scrambling to survive in a world where the night sky itself is actively trying to kill us. Number 3. The sun suddenly dims or blinks out. The sun just disappears. Or blinks out for a day. Instant darkness. Temperatures plunge. Photosynthesis stops. Crops die. Animals panic. Humans stumble through a frozen, pitch-black world. Even a few hours of this are catastrophic. Cities freeze. Power grids overload. Society falls into chaos as billions react to the sudden global blackout. And when the sun comes back, the shock waves of destruction continue. Crops are gone, economies collapse, and the memory of darkness haunts humanity forever. The light we take for granted becomes a luxury we might never again fully trust. Number 2. Earth's magnetic field reverses. Instantly, the magnetic poles flip in seconds instead of thousands of years. Satellites fail. Navigation systems collapse. Planes and ships drift off course. Animals that rely on magnetism panic and migrate incorrectly. Auroras explode across the globe, glowing at the equator for the first time in history. Humans struggle to adapt. Communications fail. Power grids overheat and shut down. Civilization doesn't end immediately, but it stumbles, collapses in waves, and tests humanity's resilience like nothing else in history. And worst of all, no one saw it coming. One moment you trust the compass, the next it's pointing you into chaos. Number 1. A black hole passes through the solar system. The ultimate nightmare. A black hole drifts into our neighborhood. Its gravity warps everything. Planets wobble, oceans bulge, continents shift. Earth is stretched like taffy. Volcanoes erupt from the stress. The tides rise impossibly high. Satellites are ripped from orbit, and it doesn't have to hit us directly. Even passing through the outer solar system would trigger chaos beyond imagination. The fabric of our solar system itself bends. Years of careful balance vanish in seconds. Humanity watches as its home becomes unrecognizable. Nothing prepares you for the scale, nothing protects you from the pull. And in that moment, we realize that Earth, beautiful and fragile, is nothing but a small marble in an uncaring cosmos.